happened? Oh, okay. What? Only 2 players survived. I'm gonna try jumping up there. There's nobody up there. Wait, oh, this guy. Hot potato? What? Ow! Aww. No! I should have jumped earlier. What? What happened? Somebody tell me what happened. What happened? What? And there are only 2 survivors. Oh. No! So many survivors! Why? Hey, stop jumping on top of me. I can jump higher than you and... What? What? No! Where's the hand rocket? Where's the hand rocket? Oh, that's a hand rocket. No, I died. How did I die? Wait. Oh. I really hope nobody survives this. I'm so evil. Law. What? Okay, I'm the worst at this. Seriously. Oh man. Not the black hole. Yes, I think I'll stay here. Wait. Let me stay on the ground. What? What happened? I'm going inside. Everything's a mess. What? I don't think anybody survived this. Knew it! What? Rising acid. Oh! Oh no. What? I am the worst at this. And why is it... Oh. And I'm still spinning around for some reason. What Terminator? Oh! I am gonna die. Wait, what's the Terminator doing? He's not doing anything. What's he doing? Oh. So I'm just gonna like hide behind the shop. Okay, I guess that will do it. Hey, big fatty guy, I'm over here. Okay, I think everyone won this. Hey! No, I didn't jump. Why did I jump? Yay. Hey, where's the rooftop? No! Oh man. Yes, it's all back. No! Wait, what? What has happened? I am so confused. It's a snowball! I'm gonna get you. What? I'm gonna get your snowball. Hey, go away. Law. Any houses with a rooftop? Anything? No, I'm gonna see what I can like purchase my coins. Yeah. What? Only 400? Wait. Oh, I think we reset it every game. Were they like minus points? Oh, good. It doesn't minus. Only down. Thief. Wait. No. I don't know what is thief game is. What is this game about? I don't know what this game is. Help! I'm gonna stand on top of you. Hey! Hey, hey, hey! I was on top of you first. Let me stay on top of you. Oh. Whoa. Wait, so I made a mistake. Sorry, Mr. Imposter. Hello. Wait, why is that glowing thing on his screen card? I am the shop. Soccer ball? No! Please do not hit me, you gigantic soccer balls. I'm hiding behind the shop so you don't hit me. So, what's happening to the soccer balls? Oh, I bet we can jump around. I'm jumping and floating and going all around and hoping I'm not dying. Yes. So, if you touch the soccer balls, I guess. Yay! I'm gonna jump there. Yes, I did it. Wait, what? Why are there so many pies? Oh no! Yes, I'm at the top of the world, people. I hope nobody comes here. No! Why did they go here? Why can't they go anywhere else? Like there's another whole place. Why did I jump on top of that tank? No! I bet I could make it. Hey! Oh, we need to find a place to hide. What? Fruit attack? Not fruit attack. Oh. What? Like, fruit can attack. I didn't know that. Fruits are stuck in the building. Hi, fruits, I'm gonna taunt you. Nanny poo poo. Law, I'm so childish. I'm gonna jump in this tree. I'm gonna touch. Oh. Oh, never mind. Why is everything black? No, seriously. Why is everything black except for this black thing? Blue thing, not black thing. Oh! Oh no. This is the worst. What? I bet I'm safe here. I just realized they can't really. Oh, they just proved me wrong. Hey, I'm taunting you! Mwahahaha! What? How did they shoot up there and that thing just like respawn nobody? Okay, that was just weird. Intermission is ending. Why flying? Why are the noobs flying? Why are the noobs flying? They can't be flying. Why are they flying? Oh, so if we just stay on the ground, I guess. Okay, nobody find me. I'm gonna be here. I'm in my house, so yeah, you can't go here. So unless you are a freaking stalker, you can't go here. Oh, you changed map. I'm right. This is the one that you can't go up anywhere. I didn't understand. This has no sound. It's just... No! What did I press? I'm gonna like bounce on the spawning thing. Is he shooting? Oh, good, he's not. Oh! I'm slamming in the face. Lol. I'm gonna jump on you. No! Not again! I'm up in my face again. Lol. I am very sure. What? I was so sure. Epic fail katana? What? No! Why do you press all of the spawning thingies and why am I keep on falling and what? I'm so confused. What is that katana thing? Oh, I think you need to grab it. No! Oh, so you can't touch it. I thought you needed to touch it and kill someone. What? Yes. I am gonna... Again? What? Everybody be careful where you step on. Walk on and don't like... Did. No! Oh. Don't fall on me, I beg you. Yes! No! Why do I keep on falling off? I'm so sad. Hi, myself. Illumina. Isn't that the one? Okay, I'm not gonna touch that. Nobody touched that. Nobody touched it, or I also did. No, I really did. Well, I'm going to... What? What happened? Like, what happened? Did I touch on it? Stay away from that. Dangerous! Illumina! I know why it costs so much Robux now and... whatever. Oh! Oh, because he stayed in the corner, so... Yeah, it'll be like raining katanas. Why there's so much katanas? Now I can't jump on it. Oh no. No, 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 no! No! No, don't touch me! Don't touch me, no! No! Yes! No, no! Please don't come here! I'm begging you. He's right behind you. No! Run away, run away. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, noob, you fell down. Yay, we won. And I got 2,000 points. That's great. Why isn't there sound? There's no sound. Oh. That's better. What happened? I'm gonna turn off the sound now. What? Hey, that was unfair. That was too loud. How can I even survive that? Next time I'm hiding under the table thing. What can I buy? What can I buy? I want this gravity coil. Let me get the gravity coil. Chicken. Chicken. Yum. 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 Say yum all you like. I will not like you. Actually, I do like you, but I don't care. What thief? Oh no. You won't come here, thief. Okay, you're not a thief. Yes, I have survived one again.